Yes, that was awesome. Yes, good girl, nice. Yes.
Yes.
Excellent. Woohoo. All right, let's pick up our disc. Awesome. Okay, and now let's do a little bit of what they were doing with Denise.
Okay.
Okay, so you're gonna go ahead and call the drop, you know, right about the time that you predict it. And whether or not she drops or not, you're gonna go ahead and throw. Yep.
Okay. Lakota out.
Yeah, we're doing the same thing that we did with Denise.
Yes.
Yeah, there's a prop switch.
Yeah.
Lakota out.
Nice. Yep, and now let's do the same thing, but instead of throwing directly in front of you, we're gonna start doing a left and a right throw. Yep.
Lakota out. Lakota out. Yes.
Nice.
Lakota out. Yes. Probably the farthest she's ever.
Woohoo! That was awesome. Yep. Tell her to go do dog stuff. I knew that was coming. Yep. All right, so we're gonna do a zigzag now with her. Okay. It's pretty much the same thing we were just doing, except for you're gonna throw maybe 15 yards. Okay. Left, right, left, right. Okay.
Am I throwing it before saying out?
Same thing. Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
No, Lakota.
Lakota. Yes, good girl. Easy, cheetah. Good girl.
Lakota out.
Nice. We're going to shorten your throw up about 10 yards. Out.
Out.
Easy, cheetah. Good girl.
Good girl, Lakota out.
Nice. Look at that.
Lakota out.
Way to go to rollers. Yep.
Lakota out. Good girl, out. Yeah.
Good. And send her around for one long throw.
Lakota out. Yeah.
Yay, good girl. Woohoo.